ahead. I'll turn the camera around and show you a little bit from what we've seen. The bridge with water, the Falls Drive, Killarney 40 Ks. So everybody goes that way because everything was booked. So we just crossed a bridge and the water was over the top, but I didn't manage to record it. Maybe when we come back I will do that. But there are a few cars behind and everybody goes that way. The roads are still clear on this way. Everybody eats Gold Coast, Sunshine Coast at this stage, so the camps could be busy, but because there are 3 different roads to go towards the area, this road is not busy, which is great. And it's between beautiful hills and lots of trees, so different vegetation, dry and beautiful majestic tree on the mountains. Just amazing, just amazing. And we're just crossing another car. The roads are not wide at all, it's just countryside roads, but still no gravel at this stage, so it's good. Beautiful. Questo è il bike, no? Alright, so we stopped a little bit around the creek and just wanted to take a break and enjoy this beautiful river. I think it's coming from the waterfall, so we are not sure. I'm not equipped to go with my shoes like Keith. Woo! Oh, good job, mommy. How do I come there now? Oh, let me see. So hopefully he doesn't get any leeches. Mommy, don't go too deep. Good job. All right. Oh, that's so good, mommy. It's a nice spot. Is it cold? Oh my goodness. Stay, Mama. I'm having a problem. Okay, manage.
It's like the axolotl water.
Cold as the axolotl water?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my goodness, look at her. Aren't you having fun there?
Oh, I'm not gonna have fun.
Oh my goodness, she's beautiful. Well done, Baba. Well done. Just stunning.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay, wait. Go a bit. It's okay.
Wait, stay there, stay there. Stay with Mama.
At this stage we are going towards the falls and there is only one lane. I will try to show you around the other side a little bit without Leo's face. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Déjame puteți să parchezi altfel. Come on, Mama. Come on. Do you want to see the fall?
Alright.
I will take you.
Comment down below if you see the waterfall.
Yeah. Do you want to come? Hi, la mommy. Come on, leave it. Put it in the bag, you silly.
What are they waiting
Okay, you
for?
come closer to mommy, okay? Go and stay. Tati, stai cu el, că eu o să filmez. Go to Tati. Okay.
Oh, I see it! Right down there.
Alright. You can see the fall right there in the far away. Wow, so beautiful. Still running after the rain, so it's brilliant. And the view from here, just stunning. Do you like it, Mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're not
Put a
scared
thumbs
anymore?
up and put the bell, punch the bell in the face.
We stopped a little bit on a lookout and whee! to see the entire view of the valley. You okay, Mommy?
Yeah.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
Yes, so
That's why I need a jacket.
yes, because we are a little bit more into the mountains, there is a little bit more of a cold air rather than the hotness
I
from
never
Gold
see.
Coast.
We are in winter.
Let's see this view. Ah, so excited.
We are in winter right now.
Are we?
Yeah.
Maybe not
That's
yet.
why it's so cold.
It's just because we are in the mountains, Mama.
Ah, nice. Get in the hut.
Run.
Ah!
Shh, Mommy. What did I talk with you? Oh, look at the moss. Go.
Yes, it looks so bad.
So beautiful.
The moss looks so fun. What is this?
Hmm?
What is this?
Oh, sky. They are ouchies. I don't know what's the name.
You mean cactus?
Yeah, kind of like cactus. This is Carl's Lookout.
So where's the
Where's the
waterfall?
fall? So that's the Mount Tambourine right there. I told you we are behind Mount Tambourine somewhere. Maroon, Mount Bell, Mount Grace.
Dog one.
No idea.
I want to go with that dog.
Where you go? Go and ask. You know you can use your language.
Just a minute, sweetheart, and I'll take his jacket off, and then he's not working.
Isn't this magic, Mommy?
Yes.
Yeah. Her name is Sunny. His
Sunny.
name.
Yeah.
He's the boy. Good job, Sunny. Oh.
Sunny's so cute.
Uh-huh.
He needs a holiday at the moment because he's.
Like, what What? Come here. Stop. It's Australia.
If you need accommodation, here you go. This guy has the best view ever.
Honey, look here.
Whoa, 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 whoa. No, because you go in Tati's car and we are almost here. Interesting. That wasn't too bad. I think we can see the falls from here, but there is a long walk. That will be the part where we will need to go down.
Wait, this is where we
Maybe
You have arrived.
Yes. Yeah, maybe we need to come back and park somewhere around if we can't
Is
find.
this where we've been?
Yeah, from here we need to walk, mommy. Oh, so many people camping here. Oh wow.
Wait, so we have to walk?
It's full. Yes, mommy.
Yay, that's what I wanted to do.
Cool. I give you the big. Can you park in here? Are you sure?
Alright.
How you make
But you have to
Australia?
put music.
Do you just stop and we went in the cafe. So we'll go and see what they have in here. Little lamps. Oh, this is so cute. Where are you, mommy? What is this?
Water.
Oryginalne făcute din...
Oh, the mirror.
I want water.
There is in the backpack, mommy. Oh, these are so beautiful, pure honey. Oh, look at this, mommy. Tati, look at this fire pit. The fire pit. It doesn't look bad at all. Good prop for babies. So beautiful. What is this? It's like a book or something. Oh. We are stopping just at the first lookout. Oh yes. Can you see it? Oh, yes. Oh, this is it. Oh, I didn't know that it's so close. So this is the top part. Oh, wow. Okay. No, no way. Oh, Wow, so we are in the top of the falls. This is crazy. This is so beautiful. Well done, mommy. Well done. No, 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 mommy.
I just can't see.
It's okay. We will see from the lookout.
It feels like it's flat.
Yeah, you stay close to Tati, okay?
Look.
Oh my goodness. That's so beautiful. And he stays. Oh, she's so good. Mommy, Tati, stay with him.
I feel like I'm
It will bite you. Oh my god.
I can see the waterfall. I can see the rainbow.
Now we are going at the bottom. This way. Yay! So good. Beautiful. So we are on the other side of the fall. This view is not as good, so we can't see too much, so we've been on that side. So are you sure we go this way down? Where are they going up there? What's happening up there? Maybe the snake will come in later. We'll go this way. Come on, Papa. Yoy! 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 Cool. So we lost our way. Huh? So the first time we went on the short cliff, well, on the short walk where you see the waterfall from the top. Now we are going on the big 2K's walk because we didn't got it right. And I think we go this way, we go at the bottom, and then we can come around on the same path as before. I think, don't know, but I will ask some people ahead of us if this is the right one. I will ask if this is the down the waterfall. So we'll see. So this way goes down to the fall?
Yes.
Okay, we are on the right spot.
Yes.
Good job. Oh, it's okay. If you manage, we can do it. Good job, Mama. Go. Perfect. That's it.
I can do the racing dance.
Yeah.
Four, three, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Can't do the bluff. This walk here, it's so beautiful. It's super easy walk. It's just straight down the valley, but on the way to the falls there are lots of waterfall, mini waterfalls, and you can see lizards, and you can stop and take hundreds of pictures, and it's so beautiful. So worth coming for the 2.5 hours drive up this amazing huge hill. You can hear the waterfall behind me. It's amazing. Look at this rock formation. Look at this. Just stunning. Such a beautiful rock. Yeah, and the roots. Oh, closer. Alright, I will have to change my battery on the GoPro. Oh my god. We are here. Oh my lord. This is stunning. This is beautiful. So beautiful. So much water falling. It's crazy. Aia vreau să filmez acum când ies la soare, știi? So beautiful. So we are back at the car.
The birds.
Yeah, the birds should be here somewhere, mommy. And it's not too bad. It's a beautiful walk.
It's not. It's just
But he couldn't find the birds. The birds should be here somewhere, mommy. That was a good walk.
It's not.
It was beautiful. Da. Stay there, mommy. They are in the trees now. Who knows when they are coming? They are lorikeets, mommy. They will come soon. And the rain is here. It's okay. So we are on the Great Divide, a forest. Pretty much we are going through the middle of it. What it says here? Main National Park. That's where we are. We are in the National Park, middle of the hill, well, mountains. And it's so beautiful. So looking by the cars, you can walk through the national park. Just stunning. And our ears are popping. Pop, pop, pop. Oh, beautiful. Ciao, Leo. Morning. So we just wake up. Well, we wake up about 2 hours ago, and I prepared the tent. I watched the sunrise. It's a little bit of a chilling day today because it's winter in Australia, and as you go more inland, the colder it is, but still during the day is so hot. The beautiful part of being inside inland is that the sunset and the sunrise is just magic. You don't get the same one in Gold Coast because the sunset comes towards the inland, so it's just beautiful. It's amazing, and I will show you our setup as we've done it last night, and also we've done the second setup in the morning. So that's our tent. As you know, we always have the same tent. Today we decided not to go in the kitchens and eat because we have our, what is that, power generator? Yeah, I think it's a power generator and then a converter, and we have our tea in here, and the only thing which we need to buy is a small fridge, and I'm not sure yet about the size, but we will check it out later. If we had a small fridge, we didn't need to put the milk and the ham in the fridge, in the kitchen fridge, and that's just a canopy, and I like to leave things inside, so when we put the tent down we put all the things inside there and we don't need to carry them with us. I love the chairs and I love the table because they're super light. This campsite is not the best campsite we ever been. It's simple. The kitchens are not super big or anything amazing, but they do have beautiful showers, and that's the important part. They have a playground, they have a pool during the summer. You can rent the little houses there, and there is a gas station just around the corner, which if you run out of food or anything, you can go in the nighttime and grab some water or anything. And there is a road in here which is a little bit annoying sometimes if the trucks are coming nearby, but just buy some air plugs and you'll be fine. But yet again, we are not fussy with camping grounds because we have everything with us, and usually we don't stay in camping ground, we travel around. So I'm not sure about the plan for tomorrow, and I will see. Well, I do have a plan, but I'm not sure if Leo is into it, so I will have to reveal it to him and see if he wants to do it. If not, we will go straight home. So for today we are going exploring again in this area 45 minutes from here, and then come back home and enjoy a sunset, something like that. We will see how we go. Very beautiful. Are you watching, Keith? Waiting for food? Oh, yay! Okay. Gentle, Mama, not too close. Not too close so she doesn't bite you. Good job, Mommy. Good job. Don't go too close, Mommy. And wait for me, you silly. I can't believe you're not scared of it. Hi, Baba. Don't go too close. Come here, so she doesn't bite you.
I just want to pet it.
I know, but I don't know how she is. She looks good. Come here. No. Scared, Mama. Food. And then you can pet her.
Look, you can give him this one.
Yeah, give that and then pet her.
Yeah, that's it.
And I'll pet her. Good job.
Yeah.
Good job. Well done, Mama. Okay, let's go far from her. I know you're brave, but I'm not. I found some beautiful flowers in there. I may do a shoot in there if I have time. Look at this. So beautiful.
100 meters, continue straight.
Oh my lord, there is a castle. After this. After we see the castle. It was just in the way. And then do you want to see a cheese factory?
There's cheese factories.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
Okay. We are in the castle. And Glen Hotel. It's a castle and it's beautiful liqueur and wine stuff. The thing is that we do have something similar in Mount Tambourine. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Look at that. Fancy. You better don't drop it because you'll pay for it. Look, mommy. Whoa, look at this fireplace. Wow. This was where the king was sitting. Whoa. Look, this is the how you say, the king's table with a little bit of spin around. No, there are no more kings, mommy. Or Glen's castle, and it's a beautiful castle close to a winery. Well, they own the winery and they make liqueurs and beautiful wines. So it's amazing in here. It's so huge, and I always, when I come here, I always look for good light. So this light, it's pouring into my face, which is amazing. So if I turn around, you'll see the windows, and I'm in darkness because I can't shoot with the GoPro against the light. But there is also a little bit of the redness and the green glass coming into my face, so you could do different color shoots. And right now I'm in full sun, which is amazing. So look at this. This is amazing. I will show you a little bit this fireplace. Amazing fireplace here. Let me take this one away. Keith has taken me some pictures right here in this corner. I'm not sure how good they are, but doesn't really matter. There's the winery, the vineyard. A little bit of an old piano, I guess. Here we go. Now you can see the fireplace. This is my favorite room. Imagine when whoever owned this castle was sitting around the fire with big candlelight on that chandelier. Amazing. That's Keith doing some stuff. And I will take you around to see some bottles. Hundreds of liqueur bottles. I think Leo is buying some limoncello and some fig jam. No. What is this? Cream liqueur. Ooh, so cute. Look at this bottle. Amazing. This is coconut. Still cream liqueur, but I'm not sure from what it's made. Blueberries. Blueberry, and this is hazelnut. So many, so many. I wonder what they've done here. So I don't know why they've done this. It's a separation of the normal walls.
Stay right here.
Were you scared?
No. Just want to stay right next to you.
But look at the light. What did you bought? Oh, fancy, Leo.
It's plaka.
What did you got?
Two.
Here?
Chocolate.
Sip, sip.
Yeah, for sure.
Sip, sip. Sip, sip. We are buying a fire pit. Ooh, limoncello?
No.
No, it's mango and coconut. How come you didn't buy limoncello? Not from here? Okay. He wants to take limoncello only for really Italian stuff. So Vineyard wines, fortified wines, boutique beers. I don't know, oopsie daisy. But it's a good fun to stop. I just love the look of them. It's just so beautiful. Look at this one. Lucky we live in a tiny home, so tiny house, so we can have so many bottles. If not, I will have hundreds of bottles on my shelves. Crazy, huh? So beautiful. Just amazing. Such a lovely place. Okay, where are you guys? Ready to go? Come on, mommy. Have you done your thing? All right, I will take you outside a little bit. Mommy, watch your head, please. What? Oh, what's lavender? Yeah, they were having
Liquor, lavender.
So beautiful. It's okay, one is enough. Mommy, watch your head, please.
You want to taste?
No.
No, this one.
Where? I can taste?
Yep.
Okay, let me get drunk and vomit. Okay. Did you try that one?
No, that's the one from before.
Which one did you try it?
I didn't try anything.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let's get some into my blood. What have you done?
I don't know where's my picture. I saved it.
You saved it?
Yeah.
Okay, we will see it into the... Thank you. Strong, but so creamy. Ooh. You want a sip? You're driving, man.
Friend from
We're
on
gonna
the
get
rock.
drunk.
On the rock, it's the best.
Gotta find wine.
We will look for it. This is so good.
It's so hard. Isn't
Super
it?
strong.
Oh, what do I go into this?
It's nice.
What do I go?
So good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Beautiful. Let's find it. All right. So let's go outside and I'll show you a little bit around the winery. You didn't say you wanted a jam? Then you bought a... Okay, open the door for me because I can't get out.
Wait, hi mom. I want to show the people right here.
What do you want to show?
Them. I want to show them my picture.
Ah, okay. Hey. Where did you save it? Did you save it?
Yeah.
You didn't save it, Mama.
I did.
No. You didn't.
You
didn't.
You pressed the middle.
I didn't press anything, Mommy.
You just pressed the middle.
Do it again. Where did you do that? Did you take a picture?
Yeah.
Okay, take a picture again. Do you want to go back inside?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Coming out of the castle, and you can see there is Castle Glen. Now I'll take you a little bit around. This thing I wanted to see because this will be magic to do a photo shoot in here. So beautiful. When I went to Italy in Castle,
Right, what do I do now?
I've got a name in Italy. Okay, Mommy, let me finish this. This is the side of the castle. They are not berries. It's wines, man. Wine. It's a vine, man. But
Then how do they
this is winter now.
how do they make
So the grapes. So look, see this? This is where the grape was. And they came off, they take them down and they put them in those big barrels.
And then they squash them.
They squash them and they make wine. Isn't this beautiful? How big is it? Is this? So it's only here. So I don't know how they produce the rest of the liqueur thing. Probably they are importing, but in
I
here.
need to tell something.
What?
So if you go on Facebook and you see like a lot of line and you see like something, I don't know who's that guy, but if you see like that and it cross, that's mine.
Ah, it's your
Go
picture.
Facebook.
Yeah.
Go on Facebook and see it.
In the stories.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's see. Our camp is there with fire. The sun is going down. And we need more wood. Yes. It's great. Good job. Take it to the camp, man. Well done. Look at that sunset. Woohoo! Okay, go. Move. Itu kayak ya coming, man. I'm finished. Finished.